We have used the CBMS data, especially in the vital plans of the LGU, namely the CLUP or the Comprehensive Land Use Plan, LPTRP, LRNDP, Farm to Market Road Plan. Those demography data, especially, we have used that to project the needs of our local government in the near future. Through the CBMS data, we were able to extract household data, population data, and many others. We have submitted a project proposal from those data to the Department of the Interior and Local Government and DBM. So, karon we have a water project comprising the 5 barangays of Larana, namely Helen, Bagakay, Canlambo, Takuling, Kangmalalag, and Sandogan. The CBMS helped in identifying the location of the vulnerables. We have identified the location of those people with special needs, particularly the senior citizens, the children, and other people with special needs. Ang population na-extract na mo siya sa CBMS. So, katong mga records of vulnerable sectors, nagamit siya na mo sa SIDRA. Na-plot na mo kung asa sa location, nasa high-risk areas or low or medium. We have identified, through the CBMS data, we have identified that there are barangays, especially in the coastal areas, that has access to safe drinking water. However, kailangan pang mo kabo sa lahing barangay, ana. So, with the CBMS data, nakita namo nga there is a need to expand our water system to the 5 remaining coastal barangays of Larena. Nag-allocate mi og budget for sa among 20% development fund nga mapalapdan pa namo among water system kay nakita namo ang need sa mga barangays sa tubig. Naming program sa child health, nag-address ni siya sa malnutrition sa ato ang local government unit. Well, in fact, karon nagpahigayon taog feeding program na panguluhan sa atong Municipal Nutrition Action Council. With CBMS data, we were able to identify the children na in need of special health na support. Despite the data nga naa sa DSWD related sa PWD senior and many others, with CBMS, ma-verify na mo kung kanibagid ang mga tao nga senior PWDs and chronically ill. We were able to use CBMS data para mo-generate of livelihood trainings, especially sa PWDs, other organizations such as women, fisher folks, and farmers associations. For PWDs and women's association, we were able to provide training for hilot or massage. And for the farmers and fisher folks, we were able to organize them and provided them with additional livelihood in case kung dili sila makapangpanagat or makapangpanguma. We have related ni siya sa tourism. So naghatag mi og katong mga paddle boats, mga kayaks sa mga fisher folks.
As observed based sa data from CBMS, it's very useful sa mga planning. Because through sa CBMS na mo yung mga numbers, we can see numbers, and with those numbers nga available, for example, during sa turnover sa data regarding sa open defecation. So that part medyo na-worry me. But again, para sa planning, on the planning side, nindot siya kay kita na malantawan na mo kung asa gid ang nagka-problema. Though na yung mga mukhang local na data, check with CBMS data, and dito na malantawan nga asa ang problema yun, no? So on the planning side, ako lang ibase sa itong open defecation. Right there and then maka-plan me on how to deal with open defecation. So for example, tagan sila na mo o assistance, no? Which is what we are currently doing, no? Katag assistance nga makahimo sila silang kagulingon nga banyo or toilet or septic tank, no, for that matter. So amo sila matagan ng assistance. But if wala po'y data from CBMS and among local na data, malisod po may plan or make plans na, especially sa budget. May kabalo kung pila kabuk tao ang amuhang i-assist or tagag-assistance if wala ang data from CBMS. That's one, no? At overall, CBMS gamit kayo siya for planning, both sa budget as well as paghimo sa PPAs or plans, programs, activities for the next 3 years.
Community-based monitoring.